When Jeep first put one of its most respected historic nameplates, Renegade, on a big-eyed crossover that veritably defines the term Q2, traditionalists nearly took up arms, especially when they learned it would be built in Italy, not the United States. But the boxy little wagon has proven to be right-sized for the times, popular, and loaded with personality. Plus the Trailhawk model, with its standard four-wheel drive system, low range, crawl ratio, underbody skid plates, and red tow hooks, actually is decent off-road. As before, the Renegade is offered with a choice of a 160 horsepower, turbocharged 1.4-liter inline-4 engine, paired to a 6-speed manual transmission, or a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter inline-4 with 180 horsepower that comes only with a 9-speed automatic. The 2.4-liter is an option on Sport, Latitude, and Altitude models, but it's standard on the Limited and Trailhawk. Four-wheel drive is available with both powertrains for $1,500. The base combo of Turbo 4 and manual transmission is pretty good, and we're always happy to find a manual transmission offered, especially here, where its precise shifter throws and character suits Jeep's personality. The 2.4-liter is decent but not much to brag about. Some redesigned interior components, including relocated select terrain controls and USB ports that free up a bit more front row storage space in the 2018 Renegade. Frankly, though, only owners of a 2017 Renegade might notice the difference.